So what can you expect when you receive one of the Meats2u packages? You're pretty much going to get a box like this. This is our pretty much standard box. Almost any order that anybody places is going to go in a box this size. Obviously, if it's a huge order, maybe it might be 2 boxes. But as you can see, there is no labeling on the box whatsoever. We do that on purpose. And the reason being is the last thing we want is a box sitting on your porch that says Meats2u on it for anybody coming by. And obviously, we get things stolen on the porch. So we don't want to have or give that or advertise that to anybody walking by that might want some free meat. Literally since 2012, we've had 2 boxes actually stolen off the porch. Other than that, the GSO or third-party carrier that we use uses unmarked vehicles. Boxes dropped on your porch. Nobody's following those vehicles like other people that have been doing in regards to following UPS or Federal Express trucks. But it's gonna come like this. It's gonna have a perishable sign on it so that the third-party carrier knows to get this to you as soon as possible with the big fat phone number to contact us if there's any issue whatsoever trying to get this package to you. You do not have to be home for delivery. It's gonna be dropped on your doorstep. And the way this biodegradable, small disposable cooler works with dry ice and gel packs inside is if it's dropped on your doorstep this morning at 6 a.m. and you don't get home until midnight, it's perfectly fine. Grab your box, bring it inside, put the items in the freezer, it'll be fine. It's meant to stay for 48 hours under 44 degrees, just like a refrigerator inside this pack. All the items that are shipped, they're shipped frozen. Does that necessarily mean it's going to arrive frozen? No, it can arrive partially frozen. The good part is that we don't add water or preservatives to any of our products, so that means that you can freeze and unfreeze our products as many times as you like without killing the nutritional value, taste, or tenderness of the product, unlike other companies using other methods of freezing their products. So what you can expect when you open it up, and usually it's going to be taped on the edges too, so we can really secure the airtight inside of the box. When you open your box, you're going to get a little postcard in here telling you thank you, welcome to the family. And it's going to give you a couple tips in regards to how to defrost your product. Now, by the time you get it, there's not going to be any dry ice in it. And the reason being is because that dry ice is what is keeping the gel packs we put inside frozen. And then obviously the frozen product is keeping the frozen product frozen. But this could be somebody's order. It's going to be sealed up like this. Gel packs inside. The dry ice would have been on top so it doesn't burn any of the product. And then we open up what our order is. And again, like I said, all this can stay to 48 hours completely fine on a 2-day travel. Gel packs should or probably will be still frozen, and then we're bringing out our products, right? So in this case, this customer ordered our smoked bacon, diced chicken breast, peeled shrimp, our salmon, wild-caught coho, 6-ounce skinless. Our burgers, Angus burgers, an 1855 brand, 100% USDA choice. It's called a Never Ever brand, meaning it's never any antibiotics, never any hormones. And then they also ordered the Meat Lovers pack. So the Meat Lovers pack is in here, and I'll show you what that is in just a second. But as you can see, everything is secure inside. You have more gel packs inside. Everything will be fine. You do not have to be home to receive the product. That's not the way it works. Our third-party carrier, nor do we request someone for signature upon drop-off. But you will receive an email the moment the product is dropped on your doorstep. So please be sure to give us the exact working email that you need because you're going to be waiting for meat. So if you're waiting for meat and it's coming to you, you want to receive that email so you know that you obviously want somebody to go and pull that off your porch and bring it inside if you're not home. You don't want it sitting out there too long. But we have had people with the product sitting out there until the next day because they didn't notice it. They got home and it was dark or whatnot. But that is pretty much it. I can show you real quick what's in the Meat Lovers, since you're already here. We got our carne asada, our tri-tip, as you can see, for those meat connoisseurs out there. Look at that marbling, right? That's also an 1855 brand. Some more premium ground beef, also 1855 brand. Our pork tenderloin. And New York steaks, also 1855 brand. already pre-cut in our ribeyes. And when you get our steaks, just so you know, they're gonna come here individually vacuum sealed. Nothing gets wasted. If you want steak tonight and somebody else wants salmon, you don't have to defrost the whole thing. You're just gonna pull and defrost your salmon, you pull and defrost the steak, you're gonna cook everybody's food up, and nothing gets wasted. Again, it comes partially frozen, if not completely frozen. You can refreeze it because we don't add water preservatives to any of the products. So now you know how convenient this is. Dropped on your doorstep. Hey, you don't have to see anyone. We do the running around. Anytime you order Monday through Thursday before noon, California, Nevada, and Arizona, usually on your doorstep the following day. We just never deliver Saturday through Monday. And all the other states that we deliver to, they are a 2-day shipment. Thank you. Be safe out there. And again, thank you guys for trusting us with your meat.